Welcome to another lecture where we'll see the difference between OSI model and TCPIP model. But before moving ahead, I would like to first describe the layers of TCPIP model in technical terms. As you can see, the TCPIP model consists of 5 layers, or the physical layer and data link layer together is known as host to network layer, thus making it a 4-layer model. So, the application layer. TCPIP model does not have session or presentation layers because they are of little importance in most of the applications. The layer on top of the transport layer is called as the application layer. The protocols related to this layer are all high-level protocols such as Telnet, FTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, and many more. Many other protocols have been added to these over years, such as Domain Name Service, NNTP, and HTTP, etc. Then the transport layer. This is the layer above the internet layer or the network layer. Its functions are same as those of transport layer in the OSI layer. This layer allows the peer entities of the source and destination machine to converse with each other. The end-to-end protocols used here are TCP and UDP. TCP is a reliable connection-oriented protocol, whereas UDP is a connectionless protocol. It is an unreliable connectionless protocol and used for the applications which do not want the TCP's sequencing or flow control. The next comes the internet layer, also known as the network layer. This layer is called as the internet layer and it holds the whole architecture together. The task of this layer is to allow the host to insert packets into any network and then make them travel independently to the destination. The order in which the packets are received can be different from the sequence in which they were sent. Then the higher layers are supposed to arrange them in the proper order. Note that internet is being used as a generic term. The network layer is supposed to deliver IP packets to the destinations. So, now what is the difference between all these layers? In OSI there are 7 layers as you can see, but in TCPIP it has 5 layers or 4 layers. Transport layer guarantees delivery of packets in OSI model, whereas there is no delivery of packets in TCPIP model. OSI model follows a horizontal approach, whereas TCPIP model follows a vertical approach. OSI model has a separate presentation layer, whereas TCPIP model doesn't have session as well as a presentation layer. OSI model is a truly general model, whereas TCPIP model cannot be used for any other application. OSI model has a problem of protocol fitting into a model, whereas TCPIP model does not fit any other protocol stack. So, let us have a quick recap. In both the models, the functions of layers is approximately the same. Both the models use the concept of layered architecture. The transport layers and the layers below it provide transport independent services, and in both the models, the layers above transport layer are application oriented. So, in the next lecture, we will have an introduction to addresses in computer networking, and we will see why addressing is very important and also discuss the different types of addresses in computer networks.